Welcome to day 3. We are going to talk about the long form landing page structure. And what is great about a long form? Well, it allows the visitor to read more about your info and it helps them to make the right choice. But I would say if you are a totally beginner and have never made a landing page, I would be really careful if you wanted to make a long landing page. If you want to make a long landing page, well, you need to listen to what I say now and go in and find some long landing pages that you really like from some big experts so you can kind of mold them into your own kind of thing. So let's dive into the concept. And it looks a bit like yesterday, some of it. You still need the attention grabber at the top. And I hope that you made some great attention grabbers or headlines yesterday and posted them in the group because it's really important. Trust me, it is important. You need the sub headline that expresses a little more about what it is. You still need the product picture or the video. You need the form explainer. You need the name, the email, and the call to action. All this is the same as yesterday. But now we're changing things, because now you need some social proof down here. And if you have a lot of followers, this is great. If you don't have a lot of followers or a lot of social proof, don't use it. Now we go what we call below the fold. So the first thing here is when they land on your page, this is what they see. And when they start scrolling, this is what they see. So here you can have some features or objections. If you know what people are going to talk about or going to say that, well, it's too expensive or I cannot do this, or if you have some objections, you can handle them here already before people have the objections. And you can get some more social proof if you have social proof. You can make a FAQ, a frequently asked questions. Another call to action, the second call to action, you can have more call to actions. You can have all the call to actions you want, but at least 2 on a long form. And then you can put in the founder's story. So it's really, let me go back here. It's really up to you how you want to make it, because there are a lot of different ways to do this. But I will give you some examples on what this can look like. One moment, please. Okay, let's take some examples. This is Alessandro Di Ruscio, a really good friend of mine and a mentor, and he really knows what he's doing. So I have 2 examples with Alessandro, and this is the first one. It's the 10-day boot camp. I've taken this boot camp and it's really good if you want to attract high-ticket clients. Of course, there is a really good headline here. What if there was a way to easily get clients on autopilot without growing a following or having viral content? There is a picture so you can see it's a video thing and access to the bootcamp. And if we scroll down here, we can see this. You will say goodbye to cold emails to prospects, spammy tactics, and so on. You can see this is what you get if you sign up today, the 10 videos, and of course a lot from his clients. And that is really powerful if you can get your clients or your customers to say something about your things. A little about Alessandro and his bonuses, and in the button here we have 100% money back guarantee. And why does he do that? Well, he does that because you have nothing to lose if you say yes, because if you don't like it, you can get your money back. So this is a really good thing to do. Give your 100% money back guarantee. And of course, another call to action in the button. So I know this works. This is a really good landing page. And let's take the next example. This is the web builder I use to build my landing pages, to build my website, to build my blog posts, to build my membership site, to build everything. And I know they have tested this again and again and again. It's built for network marketers, but it works for everybody. So Here you see a picture of what is this. This is a web builder, the key features, and they have a 14-day free trial, which is a really good idea, so people can go in and see what is this before they decide to buy it. And they show a lot of here: drag and drop builder, lead generation pages, sales pages, branded blog, a membership site, free CRM, customer relationship management, and email autoresponder, and so on. And in the bottom they have another call to action where you can get the 14-day free trial. So I know this works too. As you can see, the long form landing pages can be really different. There are no rules, so you need to test out what works for you. And here we have another cool guy, Jonathan Montoya. He is really good at affiliate marketing and have some great courses on that. And this is his long form landing page, where you see a picture of Jonathan here. You can put in your name and your information, and you have some bonuses, and you have what do my students say. And again, it's a really good idea to show what people are saying about your things. He even have some videos here where people say this course is great. So this is a really good way to enroll people. And the last example I will take today is from Alessandro, and it's the Clubhouse Accelerator. It's also a long form landing page. And again, this is about Clubhouse. If you don't know what Clubhouse is, it's an audio app where you can attract clients, you can get new friends, and you can get a lot of information, and you can learn a lot. So this is a course where he teaches people to get paid on Clubhouse and how to attract clients. And again, there is a good headline. There is a picture of what is this, how to make money on Clubhouse, the bonuses, of course, there is always bonuses. And again, he has the 30-day money back guarantee. And he have, of course, some clients that are saying this is a really good idea to take this course. So there are a lot of ways to make long form landing pages, but these are just some examples. So let's go into your assignment. Your task for tomorrow is to set a deadline for your landing page. And then I would recommend that you make a Google search to investigate what system you want to build your landing page on. You can use ClickFunnels, you can use MailChimp, Elementor, or the system I use. So there are a lot of possibilities if you're not sure right now what system you're going to use. And of course, you are welcome to post your thoughts in the Facebook group. See you tomorrow, where we are going to talk about responsive landing pages.